Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We're not spoiled anymore. We're down a refrigerator. Has got an ammonia leak, so it's dead. You can't fix that. You can't refill them or anything, so you either have to buy a new cooling unit, the pipes that has the ammonia in it, or you just replace the refrigerator.
So we've decided to go with a friend of a friend who's an RV repairman. We talked to him this morning. We're going to remove the refrigerator ourselves, throw it in the back of the truck, take it to him, and then he ships it off and does the Amish thing in Pennsylvania. He's got to deal with them to where he gets fridges. This is a Dometic.
Yep. Yep.
But we're going to do half of it ourselves and let him do half of it.
Figures I just defrosted this the other day.
Yeah. I guess we scared it.
I guess.
So we're going to try to unhook and pull out. Huh?
So, but they're old, these refrigerators. So.
All right.
14 years old, right?
Yeah, 14, almost 15 years old. So we're kind of lucky it's lasted this long, I guess. And then we're going to remove the doors. And then the back end, we're going to, we've already disconnected the electric. We've turned the propane off to this refrigerator.
Yeah, that's going to be our problem.
We have to cap the propane line to this refrigerator once we disconnect it, because if not, when we turn the propane off to the main RV, means we can't cook until we put another refrigerator in. So we got to get a cap for that.
Yep, can't cook. Well, we haven't been using propane heat very much anyway.
Yeah, but we gotta cap it off.
Yep, got to do it.
Okay.
We got to figure out how to do that.
Here we go. So the other day when the refrigerator quit working, first thing I did was come outside and look at this. Can you see the yellow? That's ammonia. That's an ammonia leak. So we knew instantly that this thing was leaking, and it's leaking from in there where it connects for the burner. So we've got to disconnect. This is the 12 volt right here. So we need to disconnect that. We need to disconnect the gas line right here, and then put a cap on this so we can continue to use propane inside when we want to cook. And we've already disconnected the plug. Then there's a screw here and a screw here that holds it on its railing. You undo those two screws, and then you loosen the screws in the front. We'll pull it forward and take it out, put it in the back of the truck, and then haul it over to the guy I was talking to this morning. So here's the back of our fridge. Oh wait, it's gone.
No fridge.
We got rid of it. We took it out, we hauled it down to the fridge repairman.
Yeah. So now I'm cleaning up all of the pneumonia.
Look at that mess. Totally cleaning this case out.
Yeah, so looked like I had gotten it all, but every time I wipe there's still more and
Look
more
at that.
coming up.
Got a lot of cleaning to do in here.
Yeah, it's almost time to get a rag and hot soapy water. I just wanted to get most of it up with the disposable cloths.
Get her all cleaned up. He's fixing our fridge. He brings it back on Thursday.
Yep.
So you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, really 3 days he's working on it. So we took it down to him on Sunday, get it back Thursday. He installs it, and we're, cross our fingers, good to go.
Yeah, hope so.
Right?
Yep.
Masked man.
Man?
Masked female man. So, we got our fridge back. Brand new cooling system. Nice and clean inside. Burner's been fixed. And it's cooling like crazy on electric and gas. Works on both. Ta-da!
It's a pretty chilly day. And we have a continuing saga with a problem with our refrigerators. So we got the one refrigerator all repaired, all fixed up, all good. Got a local mobile repair guy, that friend of a friend, and come to find out he only lives a couple blocks away from our home address. However, the continuation of problems is with our, if you're in the inside, it's the left-hand refrigerator. So for the past couple of years, ever since we had this whole slide redone, we have had issues with this refrigerator. Troubleshooting constantly, trying to figure out what is wrong with it. So we replaced a circuit board. We've done a few other things.
You want to show the plug?
Yeah.
Okay.
So go ahead.
This morning, I came out here to unplug the AC 110 from the fridge, just to unplug it from the wall.
Because last night it started this clicking sound, like it was trying to fire up. It'd go click, 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 poof.
The gas.
Click, 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 poof. And it just kept doing that. So we turned it off.
See that?
Uh-oh.
See what that is?
Look at that.
It burnt last night.
We are lucky we still have a home.
And this was melted into the socket, but the socket has glue dripping onto it from the slide, where they glued part of the slide together.
That has dripped on it.
That has dripped down on it.
We've been wondering why we've had so many problems with this thing.
Let me see if I can do this.
We have this wireless scope.
I don't know if you can see that or not.
I can't.
See that yellow? On my phone, that is glue. That's a strip of glue that has melted. That's the socket.
Well, we've got a reflection, so we can't really see it good.
Try to tilt the camera phone. There you go.
Now let's do this. Oh, shit.
Why don't you turn? Turn your whole body.
Honey, I can't. So anyways, there's glue. That is on the outlet. See? You can see where...
Look at the burn.
Yep.
That's a strip of glue that's holding the slide together.
Yep. We were wondering, why couldn't we wanted to try and plug it into the other one, because when the repair guy was here, we asked him just about a little issue, and so we were going to try and plug it into the other plug, thinking, you know, there was something wrong with this side. And we were wondering, why can't we feel the holes for the other side of the outlet? And that's why, because it's all covered up with glue.
Right there.
Yep. So there is glue that glopped down onto the outlet, and that's why we've been having problems all this time. And for some reason, it got all
So, with that said, I'm going to... Ow.
I'm plugging everything from the circuit board.
Yeah. If I can. Take those out.
So stick the scope up. Show me the side of this wall. Remember you said that?
Oh, no.
Oh.
I meant that.
Oh, the glue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See,
Okay.
you're not going to be able to see anything. It's too dark.
Oh, all right. Okay.
This on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't see anything. So, with that, I need to get out my needle nose and unplug the neutral, the hot, and the ground. I don't know if I can pull it with my fingers or not. Okay. I need to get my needle nose out.
Okay, well, anyway.
But I don't want any power going through it, so we've unplugged it from the circuit board. There's no 12 volt power, no nothing going to it right now. So, who's responsible for that?
Yeah.
You know?
For the past 2 years, almost 2 years, we've been having troubles with this fridge and have been troubleshooting everything we can think of.
So now the next step is, where do we go? Do we go south to Fontana and have them fix it? Or do we go to some guy, John, locally, who came and put the new cooling system on this refrigerator and it works perfect now, and just have him do a little electrical work and fix it?
Yep. So
I'm waiting for your answer, boss lady.
I'm not the boss lady.
Trust me, you're the boss lady.
No, I am not the boss lady by any means. So we have a couple decisions to make to figure out what to do with the left refrigerator now that the right one is all okay. Great. Never ends. All part of the adventure.